So welcome my friends. Uh, in last video, we have saw that how to write a book. And now in this video, this is the most important video that how to publish your book and how to sell your book your own way. So we will go through step by step here. So what is self-publishing? So self-publishing means you have to publish your own. No one will come there. You have to invest your money and you have to sell book into your network, your friends group, and all the relatives or whoever you know. So in that circle, you can sell your book. Okay. And about the general publishing, you have to find the publisher. He's a distributor, so he will invest money in your book. So find that good investor, and he will distribute. He will print that. He will distribute to the market and generally offer you 3 to 5% revenue. Also, sometimes they offer one-time payment settlement. But I would suggest you, if you are going to be a public speaker or coach, then you have to go with the self-publishing. So whatever you are earning is 100% yours. Okay. But the best part in general publishing is your book will get huge market stores. Okay. Every distributors is having their own book agencies and book stationery list. Okay, they are having their own network. So yes, that network will definitely pull your books sale. So this is the quite advantage, but I will explain you in the next slide why the general publishing is not so easy. So let us move to the second thing, that what is a self-publishing. So self-publishing is it is a thing that when you write a book, so that time you have to go through the proofreader and editor. So just pay attention. Who is a proofreader? Proofreader is the person who is checking the punctuation, grammar, and spelling from your book, direct, indirect sentences, and all the things. Okay, so proofreader you have to hire. They take at least a 10 to 20 rupees per page charge. And the editor is the most important person who who is like censor board. Okay, so who cut shots from your book and who put some extra efforts into your book, arrange some paragraphs, arrange the scene of story of scene, remove the scene if it is unrelated. So that's why I in previous one I told you, write minimum 200 to 300 pages stuff, because in this stage editor will use that. Okay, so this is the self-publishing, but you have to find these guys. So this is the quite difficult task for self-publishing. In general publishing, what this publisher do? He will ask you. You have to call them. You have to send mail to them. Sir, I have written this book and I want to publish with you. So they will ask you to send a manuscript for first 3 chapters. Generally, they ask for first 3 to 4 chapters, and then they forgot. Literally, they forgot. You have to get continuously in touch with them. Sir, did you read my book? Did you read my manuscript? How was that? Did you like it or not? So generally, most of the time they got answer. We don't have that much time. We will revert you back in minimum 3 months, in minimum 6 months. So you have to wait for that long time. Sometimes they take 1 year to read your manuscript. After that, if they found good content in it, then and then they ready to invest. Otherwise, they said hello, goodbye. You can go with a self-publishing. We don't see that much profit in your book, so we can't print that. Okay, so but if they found some catchy thing or some profitable material in your book, so what will they give? They will give you 3 to 5% royalty of your book, or maximum time they offer you one-time payment. Okay, at least 10 to 20,000 they give you, and bye bye. All the releases, all the business, all the profit, only publisher will earn. Okay, this happen in the market actually. So publishing is a quite rude stuff. Okay, so they are having their own distributors network. So generally, if you are going to connect with any distributor. So distributor take minimum 40% MRP price margin. Okay, this is the market rate. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind. And sometimes if the book is not selling, so he give 30% off, and still he's taking 10% earning. So yes, that is the selling strategy for distributors. So minimum 40%, they took sometimes they took 60% margin also. So yes, then these are I have gone with a market, and I found some interesting facts which I want to share with you guys. These are the market rate, current market rate. You can see for 100 pages book, for 100 copies, how much it will cost. So typing cost, it will be around 10 to 15 page per page. So it will be around 15,000. Proofreading 10 to 20 rupees per page, proofreading and editing, so it will be cost around 1,000 to 2,000. Printing cost for color pages, it will be like 2 to 5 rupees, 2 to 5 rupees per page. For one color, it will be cost around 80 paisa per page. Okay, for your book, one page they cost 0.80 paisa per page. This is the market rate of all the publishers. I have gone with some publishers, and this is the result. So minimum 8,000 rupees is cost for your printing. Then designing charges, front page, last page, page setup. You have to give them. If you want to save typing cost, you can type your own book. Okay, but just go with a proofreading and editing. I would suggest that. Okay, so when you give your book copy to the distributor, okay, to the publisher, so what they did, they convert all the stuff into the their own software. Okay, there is a Shrilipi or any another means offset software. So yes, also page arranging paragraphs and all the stuff, they took 10 rupees per page charges. So minimum 1,000 rupees is there, and the binding charges is 10 rupees per book. So overall it cost 35,000 to 40,000 rupees for 100 copies of book. Okay, so here you are saying that if it is cost 35,000, so one book is for 350 rupees. Distributor, the publisher, offers some combo packages like proofreading and editing. We will reduce the cost. We will reduce the color pages or something, and if you type, the whole typing cost will be reduced, and that leads your book to the 120 to 130 rupees per book. Okay, so distributor is having different combos, so you can go with that. But as my suggestion, go with a reduce the typing cost, so using dictation software, so it will help you a lot. But choose the professionals. Page designing and editing is the most important. If you are find any illusion artist, okay, so go with them. Tell them, I want to design my cover page, because just write this line somewhere, that people buy book by its cover. Okay, not by its content, because people don't know what has been written into that book. But yes, if the cover is good, definitely the human psychology says that if the book is looking quite pretty, so we will go for buying it. Okay, so yes, so cover designing, you have to hire professionals. Okay, so these are the some market rates. Now the most important part, and the most difficult part, where all the writers stuck, is the selling their book. Okay, and the selling is it is like a art. Okay, and you have to perform step by step, because over the night you cannot be a get a great author or something. So what you have to do, you have to declare in all your network that you are writing a book. If you decided the title of your book, just spread into the market, I am writing this book. Okay, aware all your community member, all the social media friends, FB friends, YouTube comment, everywhere you have to put your book's name. Okay, so people will relate into that, people will know you. okay, this person is writing this book, okay, okay, great, great, okay. And suddenly when you start the writing your book, then you have to read some content of your para of your book and post that video on the social media, okay. You just take a screenshot of your writing, post that on the social media, so people will aware that, okay. So they found some interesting fact from your picture, from your story, so they will wait for you to releasing your book. So you have to create that kind of environment, okay. So continuously discussion on the social media will also definitely help you to grow on the social media as well, and also automatically your books marketing will be happen over there. So this is the basic strategy, mouth publicity, you have to use that, and for that you have to create online presence of your book. So these are the tactics, okay. Now when you are printing your own, so you can direct sell on the internet. So these are the some websites, okay, where you can sell your ebook, um, like Kindle Direct Publishing, Better World, Sailor, Paytm, Ebook Architects, Ebook Source, Fiverr, Flipkart, Symboys, GM Marketing, Amazon. So these are the like big bull in the market for selling. So you can put your book directly selling on this platform. They will charge very less commission, and 100% means maximum profit will come up to you. So I will put all these links into the comment. So it will be helpful you to also. You can go with these links and create a register login and just sell your book. But before moving out, you have to start thinking about what you are doing, okay. First, if you are writing something, then you have to keep two things in mind: what are the do's and what are the don'ts, okay. In the in the enthusiasm, what we do, we just get pen and paper, or open our laptop, copy some thoughts from the internet, copy some thoughts on the book, and we think that, okay, now start the writing. No, 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 wait, wait, wait. Because when, if you direct copy paste from any website or book, so it will be an infringement of Intellectual Property Act. It will cause you imprisonment as well as financial loss, okay, and it will harm your brand, okay. So never do copy from other author's book, because that author kept all his life experience into that book, and you don't have right to copy that material and sell that into the market. So just make sure, if you like any content and you want to copy that content, so what you have to do, you have to ask them permission. You can sell them mail, okay, send them mail and take their permission, and just take a written permission, like, okay, you can send them mail, sir, I'm a big fan of yours, and I'm writing my book and I want to copy this area, this part from your book, so can I refer that? So if they said yes, then definitely you can copy that material, because now you got the consent from the author, okay. So yes, you have to do that things, okay. But do not write your book in a hurry. Take 1 to 2 years time, because this is the book which impacting lots of people's life, okay. So for that, you have to take your time, and after taking your time, automatically you will get a good good quality book, okay. Then and then you can go with the publishing, and then you can see how to influence and win friends and law of success book take 10 years plus to publish their book, okay. They take a lots of interview, lots of life experience, lots of workshops, and according to their summary, then they finalize their book. So my dear friend, book writing is not so easy, but yes, if you are being a part of changing the society, so that kind of content should be in your book. So for that, you can go with some research, okay. So take the time. Now if you want to add some images into your book, so go, do not go with a copyright image, there is a website like Pixabay and Canva.com. You can take copyright free pictures from there. You can create logo and book cover from Canva also. If you are having artistic background, so you can easily go with a color combination and create a catchy theme using Canva. Okay, but uh, please underline this thing that take a NOC mail, okay, from the author if you are copying some another person's book. So this is the most important. And the last thing, my friend, this is me, Yogesh Lurge. I am the founder, CXO of Leaders Pride INC. I am the author of 6 upcoming books. Yes, I'm launching my 6 books simultaneously. I am working on that. It is in the last stage, and will definitely guide you how to sell them. And definitely, if you are having any question regarding writing book, regarding publishing and selling, selling is the my niche. Okay, I like to sell the things, and for that I have lots of strategies. I will make another videos for selling, how to sell anything. And there are lots of things because I am having at least 10 years of selling background, so I know very well how to sell the things. And you can visit my leaderspride.com, and you can connect me on my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number, and I would like to hear from you. What about your thoughts? Please put comments how you like this video, and please let me get me some improvement part. What should I increase into my upcoming videos? And thank you very much. And if you like my research work, okay, so please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, friends. Take care.